Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make quick breakfast. If you want to see how I made this delicious breakfast, watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So to start without wasting much time, I'll go ahead to add my eggs into my mixing bowl, and for this recipe I'm using 3 raw eggs. And after I'm done adding the egg, I'm going to go ahead to use a whisk to beat the egg. And after beating the egg, I'll go ahead to add in my vegetables. Here I'll add my diced mixed bell pepper. I also have diced tomato. I'll add my chopped spring onion. After that, I'll add pinch of salt and also black pepper. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my liquid milk, and after that, I'll go ahead to use a spatula to stir and mix everything together. So after I'm done mixing the vegetables and the eggs together, I'll go ahead to start adding my flour gradually. And for this recipe, I'm using only half cup of flour. I'm going to keep on adding the flour gradually, and make sure you do not add too much flour. Like I said, I'm using just half cup of flour. And after I'm done mixing, I'll go ahead to place an empty dried pan on the heat. Then I will sprinkle some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, and after that I'll start scooping in my mixed egg and vegetables. So next I'm going to add some cheese. After that I'll fold it. And after you are done folding it, go ahead to sprinkle some vegetable oil. You can as well use butter for this recipe. And next I'm going to continue flipping until I make sure that both sides are well cooked. And make sure that you allow each side to cook for at least 2 minutes. And after that, take it off the heat and repeat the same process with your remaining egg mixture. So finally, I'm done making my breakfast slash snacks. As you can see, they came out very nice and it also tastes so delicious. So I'm going to go ahead to cut it and show you guys how the inside look. It looks so amazing, guys. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this my channel, please don't forget to click on that subscription button on your screen and also turn on your notification bell icon. And please don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.